Hello students, today we are going to study to find time period of this system. In this is the fixed and this is a spring of a spring constant K1 and this is another a spring of a spring constant K2 and this is mobile pulley and a mass M is hanged. In this you have to find time period. So first thing I am asking to you, please tell me whether this is the parallel combination or series combination. This is parallel combination or series combination. Question number 1. So it is, yes, tell me, send me your answers. I am telling you, this is the series combination. This is a single wire. In this, at one end is, this is the K1 and another spring is directly connected with this another spring K2. So, on whether it is coming downwards, extension in this will be different and this will be different. Let in this extension is taking place y1, so in this extension will be y2. Total this will come downwards by mean value of this, it will come downwards y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, total extension is y equal y1 plus y2 and the mean value of this, by mean value it will come downwards. Okay, but in this, but tension will be same. This is the same wire, here tension is T, here tension is T and here tension T dash will be 2T. Initial equilibrium T naught, T dash twice of T naught and equal mg. Force acting downwards mg, 2T is upward, 2T naught and this is the case, equilibrium state. And this one further you may change in single way like this. You can modify this way. This is the series combination, so combined spring you are connecting over here and this is M mass body. This one only ditto I have written, I have modified this and time period of this is to find you. In this you will keep mind this is series combination and here this is the K dash is K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2. You will keep mind. This is K dash. Now question, what will be the time period? So in starting I have told you by energy equation, if it is displaced a little bit downwards, it will oscillate at y displacement or at x displacement, it will gain kinetic energy and this will gain resultant spring, it will gain potential energy, spring potential energy. If it is coming downwards by distance x by 2, that I will take x, this is the x coming by x, so spring will have to stretch by 2x because if it is coming downwards by x x this side and x this side wire is needed, like this. X this side wire will be needed. Spring extension will be by 2x. So energy equation, half mv square kinetic energy of this plus half kx, x is 2x whole square is constant. This is energy equation for this. Half mv square plus half kx, in this extension is 2x. Now differentiate it with respect to the time t. This is half and m 2v and dv by dt plus half k 4 and 2x and dx by dt equal 0. Derivative of constant is 0. We know it very well that 2 and 2 cancel, and this is the acceleration dv by dt. So we are finding m and this is the velocity v. So divide the equation by v. So this v and this is the dx by dt. This is also the velocity. This will be cancelled. This and this cancelled. So we are finding m a dv by dt acceleration ma plus, and this 2 and this 2 cancel, 4k x dx, this is dx by dt is, this is velocity is cancelled, this is equal to 0. So from this we are finding acceleration. I am writing this side. This equation, this one I am writing over here, ma plus 4 times of kx is 0. So acceleration a equal minus 4 kx minus 4 kx by m, and acceleration is minus omega square x. This is acceleration equation of this by SHM. You can cancel minus, without minus positive also you can write. So you may write it practically by mathematically minus will be cancelled, and in mod value also you can write acceleration is this. So this is the 4 kx by m equal omega square x and x cancelled, this x and this x value is cancelled. So omega is 4 k by m, and omega is 2 pi by t. So t equal 2 pi and root m by 4k. You have got the answer. This is the answer. One minute. Perhaps say in vision problem, maybe I am repeating again this one. 1 minute. This is acceleration a. So a equal and from this omega square equal 4k by m, and root omega equal 4k by m, and this is omega is 2 pi by t, so t equal 2 pi root m upon 4k. This is the result, time period. So in 2 line only you are getting the answer. This is by energy principle. And one more question, and that is important and very important, and practically in my view all questions are important. So that is this question. In this case, this is a spring of a spring constant k, and this is the disk of mass m, radius r, and it is rolling without friction on the ground. It is removed and released. So by rolling it come this side, and by rolling it go this side, and in this way rolling oscillation is taking place. So in this case also, when you are moving this by rolled, you are moving outward, you are doing the work, and the work done by you is stored as energy in this form, and that converts into rolling kinetic energy and energy of the spring. Let extension is x. In this, let there is x extension, spring x is stretched by the x at that time when extension in spring is x. In this spring extension is x, there is kinetic energy velocity, rolled velocity due to translational velocity and rotation velocity. So you will write energy of the disk, that is half mv square. V is the translation velocity, and it is rotating also about the axis, that is half I omega square, and this is plus half k x square is constant, total work done, total energy. Kx extension in the spring. This is on simplification. This you will find the time period. For differentiating this with this 6 time t, we are finding 1 upon 2 m 2v and dv by dt. This is the acceleration plus half inertia into twice omega, 2 omega, and into in place of omega you can convert this translation velocity into rotational velocity. So you may write over here inertia equal inertia of the disk, you may write half inertia is half mr square, and if there is any doubt you may write mk square. If you may represent mk square. So this is half, because we know it is disk, so you can write half mr square. This is inertia into omega square, and omega r is the linear velocity, plus half kx square is 0. So now differentiate, 1 minute, mv square. Not we may write it half mv square plus 1 by 4 m, and r omega is v square, and plus 1 upon 2 kx square. So half 1 by 4 and half, how much it is? It is 2 by 4 3 by 4 mv square, and plus 1 by 4 mv square, and this is half kx square equal constant, ये भी 0 नहीं आएगा, अभी तो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं किया, इट इज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज कांस्टेंट. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट इट with respect to time t. So this is 3 by 4 m 2v 2v dv by dt plus half k 2x dx by dt is 0. So further 3 by 4, this is 1 ja and this is 2 ja. So 2 2 ja, 3 by 2 m, and this is velocity and this term is velocity, it is cancelled, velocity and velocity cancel. So we are finding 3 by 2 m, 3 by 2 m, 3 by 2 m a dv by dt is the acceleration, and this 2 and this 2 cancel. This is kx plus kx equal 0. So 3 by 2 m a equal minus kx. So a equal minus k by m minus k by m, and 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 m, 3m by 2 minus k x, this is minus omega square x. SHM, according to SHM, this is equation of acceleration. X value and this x value is cancelled. This implies 2 by 3 k by m is omega or root, and omega is 2 pi by t. So this implies t equal 2 pi root 3m upon 2k. This is the time period. So time period t equal 2 pi and 3m upon 2k. This is the result. So this is the energy equation. Only you will have to keep in mind that you will write energy equation of the system, total system's energy, and differentiate it, you will find the answer. Okay, best of luck. I am providing in next video, I am going to teach you physical pendulum. By competition point of view, it is very important. Physical pendulum and a time period in tunneling of the earth. So in next video I am going to tell you. Please help to other students if you think it is important and it is beneficial for you. Please subscribe also. Okay, best of luck.